Hi everyone, I'm Joey Benin and my wife.
I'm Bing.
Yes, and this is our story. This is our skin journey. I used to be with Side A. I'm the bass player of Side A for 22 years. Almost 20 years, we've been
Living in
Bacolod, in Silay, no, in a farm, and
We run a business.
we run a business. It's a
Resort?
parang mini resort, merong restaurant. It's called Gary's Place. Please check it out. Pero I still do write songs and produce and arrange and encouraging local artists to do originals in our area. Pero mas busy kami sa pagtutok sa restaurant.
Yeah, we manage the place and we also have casitas.
First time kong na-meet sila Doc Giselle and Doc Richard. That was 2022 noon nagkaroon ng reunion yung Side A. I think through Side A ko sila na-meet. And that was the first time na nakapasok ako ng clinic, skin clinic. Napakasarap pala pag nasa clinic ka, no? Walang pinapamper ka talaga. Mga 10 years ago, nagkaroon ako ng skin problem. Since lagi ako nasa araw, nagkaroon ako ng melasma. Yan, every day pag lumalabas ako sa farm, nasabi niya, mag-sunblock ka, ayoko. Yun. So, pag tumagal pala yun, magkakaroon ka ng melasma. I was so bothered kasi parang padami siya ng padami. Tamang-tama, na-meet ko sila Doc G. Natanong ko yun. And meron siyang solusyon. Tinreat niya yung aking melasma. Mas natanggal talaga siya.
Sa akin naman, it's more of anti-aging facials. Pero lately, ang tinitreat ni Doc G sa akin is I'm bothered with my eye bags, sa aging din. So, and I'm happy. I've only had 1-2 sessions yet and I've seen so much results already.
Nakakatuwa pag nakikita mo yung result ng pag merong ginagawa sila Doc G sa amin, sa akin, particularly yung aking melasma. Natanggal talaga. Sarap ng pakiramdam na someone na mga doktor in their expertise na sila pa yung nag-i-invite to tell us kung ano yung pwedeng gawin sa amin. Nakakatuwa. And of course, pagdating namin, talagang welcome. Ramdam na ramdam mo yung, parang pamilya na kasi namin ng skin. We're very blessed to have them as friends and to have them as our doctor.
Amazed ako because even with her busyness and kuminsan out of the country pa, she would really text back. So doon ako na-amaze na talagang she's a real, genuine, good person talaga.
So maraming salamat Skin for the experience and for just doing things na para maging maganda ang aming pakiramdam.
Their genuineness, now we can trust them, that we can rely on everything that they say. Alam namin na pag sinabi nila talagang go kami agad kasi there's that trust and there's that genuineness sa kanilang personhood.
I think yun yung ramdam natin, yung parang they really care for you.